Hi everyone, this is AV, and I live near the Washington, D.C. area, and over the weekend we had a blizzard. We had about 24 inches of snow on top of about 6 inches of snow from the previous time it had snowed. So today I went out and shoveled a path to my cat's favorite bush. It's a bush he likes to lay underneath and he likes to go to the bathroom because he really hates using his litter box. My cat is a big cat. He weighs 22 pounds and he's about 13 inches tall when he's walking. So you'll get an idea when you see this clip of just how big the snow really was. Come on. Come on, kitty kitty.